Hi friends, welcome to Beauty with Karah, where we talk about all things beauty. Today we're gonna dye my hair blue. Okay, so if you saw my last hair video, I actually dyed my hair pink, but instead of me dyeing my hair, I'm actually going to go to my friend Brittany's salon today, and she's gonna dye my hair. She always does a good job. I actually found her when I was doing our wedding, so they were a preferred vendor for my venue, and I ended up getting my hair done with them, and she did such a great job that I literally travel almost an hour and a half to go see her every time I want to get my hair done. So she's gonna do my hair. The salon is called DeCheine, and it is in Hellertown, I believe. Yes, it is in Hellertown, in fact. So I do travel about an hour and 15 minutes to go see her. I only see her about every 8 months or so, and she usually does my hair all nice and stuff, and then I go and destroy it halfway through. So she's gonna go fix all of this craziness. So I did wash my hair yesterday so that it's kind of clean for her, but it's not like super clean, because obviously hair takes better when it's a little dirty. And she's going to do, basically she's gonna re-highlight everything and then put the blue in. So, and then she'll fix all this craziness that I got going on. So I'm not good at cutting hair, but I always attempt to do it myself, and it doesn't work out too well. So she is always a lifesaver. She's always going to fix my hair no matter how bad I mess it up. So we'll be leaving in half an hour, and then I will kind of record little bits and pieces as she does my hair, so you can see the process, and maybe she'll jump on and tell you a little bit about her salon. All right, so let's get going.
So on the left I have DeCheine's location, so if you wanted the address, there it is. And on the right I just have the drive time. So usually it doesn't take this long, but there was a lot of traffic that day. Usually it would probably only take me like an hour and 10 since we moved a little closer.
Okay, hi guys. So this is Brittany.
Hello.
She's already started my hair. So Brittany, you want to say anything?
Yeah, I'm really excited. We're going to be doing a super fun pastel ice blue on Karah today. Stay tuned to see more.
Yeah, okay, bye. Okay friends, so Brittany is going to show you a little bit of her studio, so go ahead.
Okay. So here's our photo wall. This is where we take finished photos most of the time. This is our women's piece. Karah's favorite feature is right up above. And then if we pop on over here, what makes our salon kind of special is that we have a private salon area that's just for women, which is where we just came from. And then we also have a private salon floor that's just for men, which is over here.
Yeah.
And I'll show you some of my favorite stuff. We have lots of plants all over the place.
She likes her plants.
And then lots more plants out here.
So this is the waiting room, which is super pretty. Okay.
We have some treatment rooms in the back. Okay, and here is where we do our massage. We call this our tranquility room. And it's super tranquil. Massage, facials, super chill vibes. And then in here is where we do lashes and brows. Super girly.
Yeah.
And that's that.
Alright, so here's blonde. She's gonna cut it and then put the blue in. Okay, so far, this is what it looks like. Let me show you the back. I can't figure out where my thing goes.
Alright, so let's do it to be safe, since this is your first one. We're gonna keep the undercut like nice and low.
So yeah, we decided to do an undercut.
Yeah.
I've never done this before. Yeah, let's keep it low.
Okay, we'll keep it low.
And we'll see what happens.
Put
Alright.
your head down. Do you want me to do like a before?
Oh yeah, show them the. I was trying to show them the back, but I couldn't figure out how to get the angle. So, alright, there's my hair, guys, so far. And we're gonna do an undercut and then put blue in it. Alright, guys, I did a thing. I did the undercut. It's so weird. So I'm just waiting for them to put the blue in, and then we're gonna wait for that, and then wash that out, and then it'll be done. But here's the cut. This is what the actual hairstyle looks like, and I'm like, did I just do that? I did. This is what happened. I just did that. Look at it. All right. Well, there it is. I'm still a little shocked that I did that, but I think it looks cool, and I'm excited for the blue. So I'll see you at the end, guys. Okay, time for the blue. What's your name? Ingrid. This is Ingrid. Brittany had to go help someone else, so I got Ingrid right now, and she's the blue. Look at her awesome curly hair and look at the eyeshadow. Look at the sparkles. Awesome. Oh my god. All right. So we're gonna just record for a second of the blue. Okay, it's washed. There's the blue. We are gonna style it, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'm smiling under this mask. I forget I'm wearing a mask. All right, I'll be back.
We're all done. The blue is in.
So here's my hair.
We should turn around this way.
Wait, you gotta hold it.
Oh, okay. There you go. Now
Wait, let me stand for them. All right. So you want to say anything?
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's been so fun showing you around my salon. And thanks for coming. I love the blue.
So Hellertown, PA. If you're in the area,
Stop by.
DeCheine men's. What is it?
Fine Men's Salon and Beauty Company.
Yes. Long name. So make sure you come check it out. Brittany's amazing. I only trust her with my hair. I literally drive almost 2 hours to you. So yeah, go check out Brittany's salon.
I love it.
So that's all I have for you today. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell button for more videos every Thursday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.